Hi guys, welcome to my channel Problem Solutions. In this video, I am gonna show you split partitioning of USB flash drive into multiple partitions and make one partition for bootable Windows and another partition to store your data. Splitting the USB drive and SD card drive into multiple partitions is very simple. You can use any partition tool to manage partitions. I am using AOMEI Partition Assistant. Download link is given below. Plug in USB pen drive and open AOMEI Partition Assistant. Now select USB partition and right click on split partition. Now original partition is first partition and new partition is second partition. So I want to create first partition 5 GB and new partition is all left partition. So you can see first partition is 5 GB and second partition is 9.54 GB. You can only make bootable Windows on primary partition, so that's why I created primary partition 5 GB. Now you can see in my computer there are 2 partitions of single USB drive. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates.